How's everyone doing today? Shankar Pure here. Today we're going to look at the charts, talk about Bitcoin, cryptos, as well as the S&P 500, but also look at a trade that I took today to show you how you can profit in the market on a day-to-day basis. So without further ado, let's dive right into the charts. All right, guys. So today we're looking at the gold. We're looking at gold right now. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to zoom out on the chart here. Kind of show you what we were looking at. So we were looking at right now, gold is in the downtrend. So I have gold right now looking bearish. And the reason why I was looking bearish is because we have a low, a high, a higher low, and then we made this lower low here, which gave us more confirmation when we made this lower low here. So we had a lower high, lower low, and this bearish engulfing candle, strong bearish engulfing candle. So I was looking for gold to actually look short, take a short. So we were patiently waiting for that, but what we saw on the 1 hour and the 15-minute was that we were in this uptrend. So you can see here we're in this uptrend. All right, so we have a low, higher low, higher low. So we're in that uptrend. All right, boom. So what I was looking for was actually a long on this zone right here. So we created a zone right here. So maybe zoom in into the 15-minute. We created the zone right here, so this gray area. And what I did was I waited for price to come down in this area, saw a bullish engulfing candle, and really just entered on that bullish engulfing candle. So the risk to reward was 1.36, not exactly 2, but wanted to take profit at this resistance area just because we are looking at the price to head lower. So any resistance areas, as a price pulled up, I was looking for it to fail, just because we were on a daily, we were looking for the price to head lower on larger time frames, right? So that was today's trade on gold. Pretty simple, straightforward, not too much going on. I mean, trading is really supposed to be simple, not too complicated. We don't have indicators, just use price action, and you'll eventually be able to make some of these trades too. So now let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500, like we have been monitoring, we're looking for the price to break into this price discovery area. We've been monitoring this for a while, so nothing too special. We have right now the price broke above this resistance and now is support. So you can see that we have created the support area right here, this bullish engulfing on the support area, and we have this candle closing at 5 minutes. Once it closed, that does give us some good confirmation as that the price will move towards this resistance area, and once it gets there, we will kind of assess on how the price will react in that area. All right, so really straightforward for S&P 500. What we're gonna do now is look at Forex Factory. Kind of look at the forecast for tomorrow on what news is available, what's going to be happening. So 10 a.m. tomorrow we have PMI as well as a job opening. So that's going to affect the price of a lot of assets. So right now we have so the forecast is 46.9. So we'll see what is going to come up tomorrow, as well as the JOLTS opening. We have forecasts of 9.61 million. And so let's see exactly what happens. This will affect the market tomorrow. So what we'll do is we'll take a look at the market as well tomorrow to see how it affected gold, how it affected crypto, how it affected the S&P 500. So All right. So now let's look at Bitcoin. And like I said, guys, Bitcoin, we are just looking for it to stay under this resistance right now. Nothing has, not too much has changed. It's been underneath this resistance. We came up here, like I said, anticipating a rejection because of this volume candle that came down. So we are just consolidating lower at the moment. It doesn't seem that, we're going to have any type of crazy breakout, anytime in the next, here, let me just go to the log scale here. Anytime in the next couple months, right? So, we're anticipating a pullback, as well as this is a zone right here. Yeah, so from here to here, so maybe some orders got filled here just to head further down. But Bitcoin right now, it is just against the resistance zone, so we are anticipating more of a pullback. So just keep this in mind as you guys are trading. Now we tend not to buy on resistance areas. You want to maybe sell in those areas and buy in support areas, right? So the support area that we were looking at would have been, this is the next support area we're looking at. We have supports, resistance, price being supported, price being resisted. So once it gets down to this area, let's see how it fluctuates. And that would be the first place that I would look to purchase any Bitcoin for a long, or if we break above here and have a retest. So if we break above here, and have a retest, that would be the place where I would look to take a long. But in the meantime, we're just going to, this is a no trade area right now. I wouldn't be taking any longs or shorts right now. All right. Yeah. So I wouldn't be taking any type of longs or shorts right now. So let's look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum at the moment, looking great. Again, against the resistance. And remember, this resistance right here, just like Bitcoin, is a very important resistance zone where the price has trouble. It doesn't have trouble, but once the price breaks above here, I will have more confidence that, okay, we're probably going to head a lot higher, a lot faster, just because this is a significant resistance zone, right? And so keep in mind that if we look at the BLX and our, kind of the metrics we have, the model we have here, the price of Bitcoin, we're not really expecting anything crazy until closer to the halving, right? For Bitcoin, and then once we break the next all-time high, the previous all-time high, that's when we're anticipating more altcoin craziness, more Bitcoin craziness. But until then, it's more just grinding up, right? So we were grinding up here, pulled back because of the COVID, and then grinded back up again, right? So this is really just what's happening again, guys. So you want to be very cognizant of the fact that this is where smart money would be accumulating Bitcoin. Scams, banks, bankruptcies, that's where you'd be accumulating Bitcoin. Smart money accumulation, it would be here, right? So this is where we start accumulating. This would be the bottom of the market. So we've already passed the bottom of the market. I don't believe we're going to 15K, 10K. If that were to be the case, the only way I would actually anticipate that is if we have a rejection from this area and then start heading lower, right? So, but that hasn't happened, and so it hasn't happened yet, and I don't believe it will happen. But if it does, that would be the only way I would make a stronger case that, okay, we're going to be heading lower. But as of right now, there's no indication to me that we're actually be heading lower in the Bitcoin price. All right, so so that's really all for today, guys. What we're gonna do is, we're getting closer to the halving, so we're actually gonna start doing a coin of the week very shortly, and kind of just go through which coins you guys like, which coins you want to for me to analyze, for me to, you know what I mean, go through and say, hey, you know, this could be a possible good coin during the next bull market. This may not be the greatest, you know, and just kind of go through technically, also fundamentally based on the project, you know, with our criterias. I would recommend, well, I don't recommend anything, but coins that are under $100 million market cap normally will have a better opportunity in the bull market, and coins that are newer because they have more hype, and newer participants in the market are going to push more money into the market, and creating liquidity for people who are getting in now or will be getting in shortly. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys. So enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please comment, like, and share, as well as if there's any cryptocurrency that you guys want me to review, I'll definitely do that for you. And stay tuned for the next one. Thank you very much.